Here we are once again in beautiful downtown Phoenix, and we are in Encanto Palm Grove neighborhood, where we have just completed sanding and staining the black wood floors that were really painted black. And of course we got the job done. If you have any wood floor projects you'd like us to complete for you, call us today. Royal Wood Flooring at 602-446-2613. And there it is. We did stain it. If you look at our previous videos, you will see that they were truly black, since they were covered with multiple layers. There is a wax, and look at that. Turned out fabulous. Turned out real fabulous. Call us today, 602-446-2613. Find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com, and if you remember, the step was loose. We pulled it out, reinstalled it, re-nailed it, re-glued it, and look at that beautiful wood. Amazing. It turned out great. Of course, we are able to sand out the black in between the boards too, and the homeowners did put some furniture back, so a lot of it is covered, but it did turn out beautiful everywhere, not just here. There it is. Look at that beautiful 1900s home, early 1900s window. Look at that, it turned out magnificent. If you watch our previous video, you would know that this was in rough shape. Not anymore. Not after it's been fully restored by Royal Wood Flooring. Call us today if you're in downtown Phoenix and you need any wood flooring project done. Give us a call today. Let's go ahead and put on pause, and you can see the back addition will be starting later. And let's go ahead and go over here in the back, so you can see where we'll be doing the back addition. Oh, this is really dusty. So this is where they had a real bad plumbing issue, and you could see had to remove the original pine floor, and the joist itself are still original. There's the subfloor, and there's the pine floor. It's old, it's not worth saving, so we're gonna have to pull it out and fill this in with plywood, and then we'll go with a new oak wood floor on top of it. So I just wanted you to see what our other project is in this house. These old homes, they're pretty unique because they're from 1900s and early 1900s, so they do need a lot of work and maintenance. A lot of times these are galvanized pipes which need to be replaced, and you can see, oh yeah, it's a mess under there, but it's okay. We'll get it done, and we'll do a follow-up video once we have the wood floors installed. And here also. Till next time.